This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Crystal.cowell. Cute cozy older 2-bedroom 1-bath home with bonus enclosed workshop is centrally located close to schools, shopping, and hospital. Some original hardwood floors, nice sized kitchen with large pantry, and roomy bedrooms. An enclosed back porch leads to laundry room and shop, hobby room. Partial privacy fence front yard, chain link in back. Nice starter home. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal.cowell at 479-774-3388.